The overall goal of the following method is to assess whether a free-living animal responds to an immediate acute stressor using thermal imaging without having to handle the animal. This is achieved by luring a wild bird in front of a thermal camera. As a second step, the bird enters a box feeder of its own accord, whereupon the baseline temperature of the skin around the bird's eye is recorded by a thermal video. Next, the box feeder is closed behind the bird, acting as a stressor, and the skin temperature around the bird's eye is recorded again. Ultimately, the changes in skin temperature between the baseline and the box feeder closing can be compared to determine if the animal exhibits a stress response to the external stressor.
The main advantages of this technique over existing methods like the measurement of stress hormones are that it is non-invasive, can be carried out in unrestrained animals, and can even demonstrate the dynamics of the physiological response to stress.
This method can help answer key questions in the fields of ecology, conservation biology and animal welfare, such as do animals experience stress?
Begin by creating a filming setup where the birds are encouraged to position themselves in front of the camera. The bird enters the setup through a hole in one of the end walls and has access to food near the opposite end wall. To habituate the birds to the setup, provide a suitable food to the feeder for several weeks prior to the recording. During this period, position a dummy tripod in front of the feeder to allow the birds to